Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Acorns app in your device. Acorn app is a fintech app that helps you invest and save for your future. Proceeding to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Acorns. There you can see Acorn Save and Invest. Tap on it. Then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Acorns app to invest and save for your future. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.